Hemal here, walking through my current position on MDLA, MDLA, and my plan of action on what I'm going to do with that position. So first, a quick disclaimer here. Okay, so this one I actually traded or invested in it, a swing trade one time. Last time I entered here and then sold here right before the earnings, so it wasn't really, I just sold it because it was reporting earnings and I was up 40%, so I didn't want to take a chance on that. So this time I have a similar plan. This time though, I entered in the right here at this 200-day moving average. Now it wasn't really a good entry. I'm just lucky that it worked out for me because there was a sharp sell-off. However, I liked the stock, so I was willing to hold it for a long time. So I was not really worried about that. However, otherwise I would not have entered there. A better entry would have been, actually there's not right here. Otherwise there is not a other low risk entry. Well, you could have entered here, but then you could have stopped out. So anyway, so that's where we stand. So earnings are coming up December 3rd, which is next week on a Thursday. So I will be getting out before earnings. Currently, I'm up 25.26%. I'm 71 days in the position. Let's look at, I do like this stock, so I may get back in down the road. However, I'm not going to let my profits go away. So as we can see, good sponsorship here. If you've watched my other videos, you know what I'm talking about. So 4 of the IBD mutual fund tracking funds have this have a position in this. Broadening sponsorship, and it is currently in a cup formation here. Let's see. So it is going to post earnings next year and then year after next. So earnings are continuing to grow. Sales, pretty good sales growth. Let's look at margin very quick here. So margin is so it's not really improved significantly yet. That could change as well. Not a huge float, which is good, which can actually increase to price quicker in most cases than the ones where the float is larger. Cash flow 0.25 cents, so that's good. So those are the things I look at. Again, composite rating is 76 and relative strength is improving. So I still like the stock. This company is doing really well. They're signing up contracts left and right with a lot of companies for their customer experience platform. It's basically a digital platform where they do more than customer experience, but that's what they kind of guide everything through. And I don't know much details about that. This is what I looked at pretty much for making a decision. And then analyst estimates 16.6% upside from here. And then the high side upside is 50%. So again, like I said, my plan still continues to sell this before earnings. Let's look at the earnings. We already looked at the earnings. It is going to continue to grow. And then the revenue is also a pretty healthy growth in the revenue. So that's where my plan lies. So again, I want to be very clear. I will be selling this before earnings. And that is the plan. And I'm going to stick with my plan. I will re-enter the stock down the road. I will post another update day before I'm planning on selling. And I will probably, if it is the day before, I believe I have a day off then. So I will probably do that with an implied move. But that's what my plan is. So I hope everyone is doing well. Take care. Have a good one.